We have exactly one planet, and this is the call to action. We are going into the Climate Action Week ahead of the UN, of the Environment Day, and this is the call to action for all of us, because this is exactly one planet. We need to save this planet. The planet is in danger, and here all of us can contribute. Bosnia-Herzegovina, like the other Western Balkan countries, joined the EU Green Agenda. Now it's about filling this with life. The European Union stands by Bosnia-Herzegovina. We have put together a big program, 9 billion euros in the economic investment package. A big part of this is exactly for environmental projects. So this is the call to action. This is the call for the governments to better coordinate, but this is also the call to action for the citizens to go out there, to clean up, also to think about their own individual decisions, to spend less energy, to focus more on protecting the environment, and also to educate their children in a different manner. And so this is what this is all about. We have one planet, and this is about to save this planet Earth.
For UNDP in Bosnia-Herzegovina, climate change is one of the biggest priorities. We call for climate action, working together with our partners across the country to accelerate and scale up the change, transformative change. We have only one planet.
Sweden is at the forefront of the green transition and aims to be climate neutral by 2045. We want to lead by example, and climate action is a top priority, both at home and globally, including in Bosnia and Herzegovina. We will continue to work with our partners to create a more sustainable, smart, healthy and carbon neutral future for all. Because we can only reverse the climate crisis together. The planet is my #1 priority.
This is Climate Action Week. The UK, as COP President, is committed to taking a global lead on climate policy. Here in Bosnia and Herzegovina, the UK wants to support greater investment into energy security and the transition to renewables. This is the way to turn the pledges we made in Glasgow into real, concrete action.
The Climate Action Week is a precious opportunity to remind us that climate change is a challenge that can only be faced with joint efforts. Everyone's action does count. Last year, Italy and the United Kingdom co-chaired the 26th Conference of the Parties to the Paris Agreement on Climate Change. Milano was the host city of the Pro-COP Summit and of the Youth for Climate event, which brought together young representatives and activists from all over the world, including Bosnia-Herzegovina. This is yet another proof of the importance that we do attach to engaging with and involving younger generation in discussing environmental policies. When it comes to Bosnia-Herzegovina, Italy is fully committed to support our local partner in paving the way for a sustainable, smart, healthy and carbon-neutral future.
What is the length of one human life against millions of years in which our planet has developed? And that's the problem, because we think in the lifespan of our life, but climate change affects lives of future generations. Can we change that? We must. But individually or even on state level, we cannot achieve much. We have to start by changing each of us our way of living, and only by that we can gradually achieve a global change. And it's time to start. Moj prioritet je planeta I zajedno možemo je sačuvati.
Klimatske promjene mislim da svi možemo da osjetimo, možda se i na mene trenutno vidi da se topimo od ovih vrućina, tako da trudim se da uradim sve što je u mojoj moći, da koristim gradski prevoz, da ne zagađujem našu okolinu, da štedim I vodu I da kada kupim čak I odjeću, da gledam da to bude kvalitetnija odjeća, da se ne koristim tom danas popularnom fast fashionom I to bi bilo to od mene.
Ja sam student Elektrotehničkog fakulteta, odsjeka za elektroenergetiku. Ja studiram kao obnovljivi izvor energije. Tako da na tu temu stvarno znam dosta stvari I vrlo je bitno stvarno ovo da mi se trudimo da je naša okolina čista. Kako to možemo raditi? Prvo trebamo svako krenuti od sebe. Znači, čuvanje vode kada se kupamo. Onda, kogod može naravno da se trudi da na toplotnu električnu energiju, da trudi na taj način, ako može stavi solarne panele pa dobije toplotnu vodu. Ako ima naravno uslove, treba da iskoristi za električnu energiju. I dakle, najbitnije je da mi krenemo od sebe, a onda sigurno da možemo napraviti promjenu u svijetu.
Volio bih ovom prilikom da kažem, nemojte da radite na javnom prostoru koji pripada svima nama ono što vi ne bi sebi kući uradili, da se ophodimo prema planeti kao jednom našem domu kojeg stan uvijek možemo kupiti novi dok samo imamo jednu planetu.